Hello, my name is Kaleb Ranquist, and I am the host of Season 3 of Hands On, the podcast of Tri-County Technical Center. The main goals of Hands On are to inform you about ongoing news and events happening at Tri-County Technical Center, to give students and instructors the opportunity to share their everyday experiences working in their programs, to have local business employers and college representatives share the benefit of career technical education at TCTC, and finally, to entertain you. If you have any questions, comments, or would like to be on the show yourself, email us at hands-on@aos94.org. Make sure to check out the show, available on these podcasting websites, or by visiting our website at hands-on.podbean.com.